What if you could see inside your arm? Every time you lift a weight, hidden beneath your skin, millions of microscopic fibers are pulling, stretching, and tearing, all to make you stronger. The human body contains over 600 muscles. Together, they make up nearly 40% of your body weight. And every time you lift something heavy, these muscles perform an incredible microscopic process. Muscles are not one solid piece. They are made of thousands of muscle fibers packed together like cables. And inside each fiber are even smaller structures called myofibrils. This is where the real work begins. Inside every myofibril are two powerful proteins, actin and myosin. When your brain sends a signal to move, these proteins begin sliding past each other. This sliding motion shortens the muscle, creating the force needed to lift the weight. But your muscles don't work alone. Every movement begins in your brain. Your brain sends electrical signals through nerves, telling your muscles exactly when to contract and relax. When you push your muscles harder than they're used to, something surprising happens. Microscopic damage occurs inside the muscle. These tiny tears are the reason your muscles feel sore after a workout. But this damage isn't a bad thing. When your body repairs these fibers, it reinforces them. They rebuild stronger and larger than before. This process is called muscle hypertrophy. Over time, repeated training makes your muscles thicker, stronger, and more powerful. So every rep you lift, every drop of sweat, is your body rebuilding itself stronger than before.